Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
I cooked.
What did you cook?
I made you fried rice.
Ooh, looks
I
good.
made a dessert.
Okay.
And I made some bread.
What are you eating?
This is
Salad?
beetroot, yes, and egg salad.
Egg salad, okay.
And I have this.
Okay.
I have grass. You
How
try
was
your food.
How was your day? What did you do today?
I cooked, I read, I exercised, I went on a walk.
Okay. You went on a walk?
Yeah.
Oh. How was it?
This bread is gonna be delicious, I think so.
I'm not eating bread, I have rice. My rice is good.
This is so good.
This is what Russians eat.
I love it. Can I add you some sauce? Really?
Yeah.
You sure? You know the vegetables are not very cheap. I bought a bunch of vegetables cheaply.
Yeah, only certain ones are cheap.
So I bought a lot.
My rice is really good.
Really?
Yeah.